This 2024 Keystone Springdale 1760BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features a midnight interior, sleeps 6, smoke detector, spare tire kit, self-contained, microwave, air conditioning, TV antenna, skylight, stovetop burner, LP detector, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Springdale 1760BH is 3,450 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.